This question is excellent because the picture here is all that the person had, but they've gone and identified here and here what the radius and the diameter is. Now, you're not told in that diagram what it is, so this person has identified that that 2 is a radius, and from the radius they've, by definition, just written the diameter. You know the two of them straight away, and it's really good practice to write the pair of them. They've then written out the formula for the area of the circle here, which is pi r squared. And they've told us what they're doing here. Pi r squared obviously went to 12.5. And I like this ... This shows that the answer has not been rounded and it's been kept in the calculator. That is the best thing you can do until your final answer, which you should round to 1 decimal place. You then multiply that by the length being 6. Again, quite easy to identify where that 6 has come from to get the correct answer of 75.4. But if we look through some more of this work that this person has done, every single question is really well described and answers aren't popping up out of anywhere. So surface area, can quite clearly see that that was 76.2, and this 101.2 hasn't appeared from nowhere. It's really important that you use the areas that you've given here and you show that to find the surface area you're adding those together. Again, to work this thing out here, this volume of a triangular prism is equal to the area times by the length, then this is quite clearly the formula for area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2, and it's really important that you show all of your workings in a maths exam, because all it takes on this diagram here in particular is for you to accidentally misjudge what the base and what the height is, and you could lose all the marks. However, if you've shown that you're doing base times height divided by 2 like this person has here, even if it was wrong, you could get a method mark there, hence not getting 0 for the question. And again, finally, looking at the bottom part of the question here, just everything is described what's going on. This 600 has come out of saying 30 times by 2. Sorry, not the 600, the 60 has come out from this 30 centimetres times by 2. And all of these, the sloping edge, the bottom, the left-hand side, everything has been worked out and it's shown the formula, and then it's quite clearly been added up. So this is what you should be doing for all your work on volume. You should be showing how you're getting the answer and then showing what you're doing to get your final answer. Excellent work.